So now I'm going to work on the lower GT braces. I have two thin washers, a piece of 1.25" tubing cut to 1.5" long. Those will be the next bosses. It looks like the factory GT braces. I don't know if they go to this threaded hole or this open hole, but it looks like you're supposed to drill a hole right over here and then end up with maybe like a 15" long piece of tubing. But I was looking at the Yoshi Fab video. The Yoshi Fab video, if you look back there, there's an open hole, and then you've got 3 or 4 threaded holes in a series before the cross member for the transmission mount. They actually go back further. Instead of tying in here, they go back to the actual subframe. So that's what I'm going to do. I found some bolts that thread right in. I'm going to mount 2 bosses there, and then I'm going to mount a nut and a bolt here on the front bosses. Then I'm going to take a measurement and get my tubing in order. The only thing I don't like is when you go out here, you triangulate, you get a better triangulation. If you go back there, you end up more parallel. So I have the bar in, fitted up, kind of notched in a little bit. The easiest thing to do was to loosen the bolt here so that it could wobble around a little bit and try to get a tight fit, bump it up in there, and then snug up the bolt. So now what I have to do is kind of tack it in and then get over there on the other side and take care of that side and then finish them up. But I think I'm going to have to kind of stop on this project for today. I've got other stuff to do, but this is where we're at right now. All right, so I got the right side welded up, fitted, hit it with the sander. So knocked it down with a flap disc and then hit it with the DA sander to kind of knock the surface rust off of it. Time to take this one off to the paint booth, get it primered and painted for tomorrow. This is the paint booth. I guess I lost a piece of the video, but this was the finished product. I got both sides done and painted to match the strut tower brace. It was a fairly simple project, and it's probably about $25 worth of materials if you want to try to make this yourself.